Kids Basic English Conversation Sentences. Play, learn and grow. Let's start this video. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? I like blue. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love pizza. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Yes, especially chocolate. What's your favorite game? What's your favorite game? I enjoy playing soccer. Do you like to read? Yes, I love reading. Do you play any instruments? Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? I love summer. Do you like to draw? Do you like to draw? Yes, it's fun. Do you enjoy puzzles? Do you enjoy puzzles? Yes, they are challenging. What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? I love going to park. What's your favorite thing about school? I like seeing my friends. Do you like to collect anything? Do you like to collect anything? Yes, I collect stickers. Do you like going on adventures? Do you like going on adventures? Yes, I love exploring. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.